Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. Instead, you all, I did a makeup get ready with me type video. As you can see, I have on my hair, I got on a cute outfit, y'all. I'm ready to share with you all how I created this look. So if you're here for my first get ready with me video for 2022, you know what y'all need to do? Y'all click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So I finally got around to filming this here video, so I hope y'all enjoy. Please show this video lots of love, you all. Try and link everything down below, but if not, you all, I'm sorry. I do show the products as I'm going. Please enjoy and let me know down below if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Bye. So I'm here to do a get ready with me video. I already done my eyebrows, but before I get into this here get ready with me video, I wanted to share with you all because lately I've been shining and I thought it was just shine, but y'all, it's that inner glow, and it is the Paula's Choice exfoliant. And y'all, when I tell you, it says it unclogs pores, shrinks, enlarge pores, smooths, and even skin tone. And y'all, when I tell you I have been glowing because of this, I just wanted to share really quick to the get ready with me. Like I said, I did my eyebrows off camera because I do still struggle, because they're not twins, they're sisters. So if it's not 100%, I'm just saying. Before I get into this get ready with me, disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I taught myself from watching a lot of YouTube videos, so I just wanted to put that out there. So please don't come for me if I don't do things right, or if I'm not using the right brush or whatever, because I do what works for me. A little bit of concealer left on my hand, and this is what I normally use to eyes for shadow. Sometimes I have more than enough and sometimes I don't. And if I don't have enough, I will go in with my Urban Decay. I think I may need to use it. And if I'm looking down, it's because I have the mirror here. So I just put a few dots. Yeah, bear with me because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a very long time. Trying to figure out a good setup, because if this video do pretty good, I may, like I said, start doing more tutorials. So I'm really gonna do like a full makeup look, only because it's hot and I don't really have nowhere to go. I am off today. Pick up my daughter around like 12:30. Hey Alexa,
so I set your timer alarm for 11:35 a.m.
by myself. Going in with this here elf shadow. I got this from TJ Maxx, you all. I'm sorry if I can't link this down below. I like to look this way, so it's kind of hard. Like, I wish I could put my camera like behind my table, but I can't. I just have to figure out a setup, you all. Nothing when I do like a, I don't want to say a no makeup look, but something like really light. Coverage, if y'all didn't know, I do medium to full lotion because I can't be on here doing a makeup tutorial. And I don't have my rings on because lately they've been like sliding, like, sometimes it's like my fingers swell, sometimes it don't. So I was thinking of getting a smaller size, but I really don't want to right now because I already got a size 4.5 and I don't want to get a 4. So this has been my favorite eyeliner. As you can see, it's almost gone, and this here is by Makeup by Mario. Wig I got, not the one that I showcased on my Instagram, but I got a new wig like when I was in Douglasville visiting my brother, showing y'all that at the end of this here tutorial. Going in with the Urban Decay mascara, lashes, but I also coat my lashes before I put on falsies. Y'all know, but Dollar Tree, I'm gonna show you, Dollar Tree has some really nice lashes. These are my favorite from Dollar Tree, but I'm not putting them on today because I'm not in the mood for like nothing over the top. Like I said, I just wanted something simple because we probably go to Walmart, I mean not Walmart, Target. Jordan needs a calculator. House of Lashes, which one are these? These here are the Light Collection. It doesn't have the name, but it's by House of Lashes. I have been wearing lately. I'm gonna leave my Instagram across the screen because I may do a Q&A to ask me some questions. Done a Q&A on this channel, so I'm looking to spice my channel up, like switch it up. Also, make sure you are subscribed, you all, because I have something new that I want to share with you all. It's a bag and it's affordable and it's so, oh my gosh, I just can't wait. I'm not gonna say no more. Figure out what foundation I'm gonna use. It's good for this hot weather because it's hot. Jurassic Park tomorrow. I cannot wait. I had to wait till Tuesday, you all. I ain't gonna lie. I had to wait till Tuesday because on Tuesdays it's $5 free popcorn. So I'm like, look, I can wait. We ain't gotta go. Plus, when I was looking to go on Friday, because I was like, maybe if we do a matinee, it might not be that expensive, but they were all sold out for our seating. So I was like, okay, well, we ain't got no other choice but to wait till Tuesday. Matter of fact, I may need to go and order our tickets because just thinking about that, it may be even busier on Tuesday because of the same reason why I wanted to go on Tuesday. Key to lashes, I had to learn the hard way, but the key to applying lashes is to really let the glue dry down, because if not, it won't stick right. Now my next item is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Go in with the Hourglass airbrush primer. Well, this is so beautiful on your makeup. You want to use some type of primer to protect your skin. I do have combination skin, like I get oily in the T-zone. So I am going to repurchase the full size because I like it. I was in this is still good, but when I tried this, I'm like, baby, I gotta get it. Like, oh my gosh, best color corrector ever for with dark circles, discoloration. I highly recommend this. A little goes a long way. This here a flat concealer brush from Bling Brushes. Unboxing and a brush reveal on these here brushes. See, a little goes a long way. And what I usually do is I'll take this brush, foundation. I do have the color 360W. I did get some to try the way this looks on me, because I didn't want to get foundation all on my fingers. I meant to matter of fact, see y'all, I be buying stuff and sometimes forget, because I did just purchase some stuff from Sephora yesterday. I got this here Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury, the one size mattifying waterproof setting spray, and I got this because it's supposed to like lock your makeup in place, like it's not supposed to move, like the Gorilla Glue girl, that shit don't move. So this is what this is supposed to do. It's supposed to lock you in place as far as your makeup. Tried it out because, like I said, it's hot. It is hot as balls outside today, you all. So today would be a wonderful day to try that out. This is like a flawless filter. This is not a foundation, because a lot of people come in and be like, oh, I want the flawless filter because I heard it's a foundation. It's not a foundation. It's something you can use under your foundation. for a superstar glow. Apply all over the face as a flawless filter. So I'm gonna just add this with the foundation because again I forgot to put it on first. The color 6.5, a doe foot applicator. So I'm gonna just add it with what's on my face already. And I am using my favorite way to apply my makeup, which is my beauty blender. Cause my auntie be like, your foundation melts into your skin. And I don't know, it might be the beauty blender, y'all. Cause I'm oily combination. You know, I don't mind a glow within, but I don't want to look, you know, all oily and sweaty looking and stuff. Like, I don't want that. Okay, so far so good. I don't put my foundation, like I don't bring it down here. I just don't. Color match. I use the device, but a lot of times by me being taught how to color match without a device, that's one thing I am grateful for, because working at Sephora inside of Kohl's, I learned how to color match without a device. Now at my new store, which is a standalone Sephora, we actually use devices, and sometimes the device can be dead on and sometimes it can be a little off. I kind of know a little more about makeup. Time get it right, and when I get it right, you all, I party. I'm like, okay, Miss Tamika, you did that, and laugh at this stuff because I just be in there having fun, you all. Because when I get a color match without the device, or I'll use the device and then end up picking something else, like I really get excited, y'all, because I'm self-taught. Like I didn't go to school for this, that I can work on. Just thankful to know what I know, because I'm just telling you. I am using the Too Faced concealer. It's the Born This Way concealer in butterscotch. I use this to carve out my eyebrows. I use this to highlight under my eye area. I'm trying to see what else I need to remember, because when I'm not doing makeup here, I kind of forget what I need to do. Go back in with my black pencil, which I do need to do. So do is I usually take whatever I'm wearing under my eye, all over my eye, and I usually put some like on my so now moving on to one of my new items, which is the Charlotte Tilbury. So far so good. If I didn't mention, I did get the number 3 shade. So, a long way. Put it on with this hair brush. This here is the Sephora 78 contour brush. And then I go in to blend it with the Fenty brush. You don't have to. And it's crazy because at one point in time, it took me forever to like start bronzing because I wasn't comfortable with doing it on my own. To my Hourglass veil. I love this stuff so much. So my camera card just stopped on me. Don't know what that's about. Done with that. My beauty blender that I have been talking about, and I usually go in just to clean up the white, and then I'll also use something else here. I think this is a flawless filter powder. It's some type of powder by Hourglass, and this is what I use to like take away the powder. I was using my MAC, but when I tell y'all, I had this since forever, and when I bought this, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and throw that away. Expiration date, you all, and I'm gonna be completely honest, some things I do still keep, and some things I'll keep because of packaging. And as far as mascara, I do get rid of that because, you know, mascara I think that's you're only supposed to keep that for like 6 months. I probably would have been finished a lot faster, but you know, of course I'm filming and talking. Under eyes, to set my under eyes, I like to set it with this here Gucci. I don't know, but y'all, this Gucci under my eye, it just makes it look flawless. Here is an actual setting powder by Gucci, and when I tell you I love this so much, see, but you get what you pay for. Set my makeup because I'm halfway done. I'm using the Milk makeup setting spray. Mickey Mouse fan, but we don't have that right now, so I'm gonna just go in with this here Bahamas fan, the NARS Orgasm blush, and I just smile just a little bit just to get it on the apples of my cheeks. So moving on to my next item, which is this Natasha Denona. I think this came out around Valentine's Day. Use this to highlight my brow area. I remember I was that one that was like, who would put highlighter on their nose? I tell you, my daughter has been doing it and I fell in love with it, so that's why I do it now, because it looked nice on her. So I was like, oh, I want to try it. So now what I'm about to do, I have this here Kat Von D. I usually put it on my mole. I have an actual mole on my face. To enhance it, I like to go in with a liner for it to show a lot more, because as you can see, it's like you can see it now versus the makeup covering it. Is my bottom lashes, and this here is the Addison Rae mascara, and I like it because it's kind of small. Little spot right there, but I think the key is to let it dry, and then I'll go back in and fix it. What I'm about to do is line my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my look, and when I get back on camera, you're gonna see the new wig, you're gonna see the new everything, and I'm gonna also share what I have on my lips. So let me pull myself together and I'll be right back, you all.